Hello viewers, welcome to CVS Maths class. In this class, I'll be deriving the midpoint formula connected to coordinate geometry by making use of section formula. I have taken three conditions here. You can observe condition 1, 2 and 3, where the point P is dividing this line segment joining AB internally in the ratio of m:n. You see the position of the point P in three conditions. In the first condition, point P is nearer to A. That means AP is to PB is equal to m:n. And here, m is less than n. In the second condition, P is little far as compared to the A to point B. Okay, it is nearer to point B as compared to point A. Here, AP is to PB, that is m:n. M is greater than n. In the third condition, you can observe that P is equidistant from the point A, x1, y1, and the point B, x2, y2. You need to find the coordinates of this point P, okay, where P is exactly at the midpoint of line joining of 2 points, A and B. So here AP is to PB is equal to m:n. AP is equal to PB means m is equal to n. So by making use of section formula, we will derive the formula for finding the midpoint of the line joining of 2 points. So wherever m comes in the section formula, replace it by n or replace n by m. Here I will replace m, all m's by n. So Pxy is equal to what? M I will keep it as it is, mx2 plus n I will replace by m, mx1 divided by m plus n. N is replaced by again m. Okay, here also m I will keep as it is. To get the y coordinate, my2, n I will replace it by m, my1 divided by m plus m. Okay. So you can observe that m is common factor in the numerator. So m, if I take out common factor, x2 plus x1 whole divided by m plus m is 2m. And here also m common factor, m into y2 plus y1 upon m plus m is nothing but 2m. Can't you cancel this m and m in the for x coordinate as well as for y coordinate? What you are left with, x2 plus x1 upon by 2, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, and y2 plus y1 by 2 represents what? Y1 plus y2 by 2. This formula we can use to find the coordinates of a point P, which divides the line joining of points internally in the ratio of 1:1, or that is nothing but the midpoint of line joining of 2 points A and B. So we'll solve one application problem connected to the midpoint formula. The question here is the vertices of triangle ABC are A 2, 3, B -4, 5, and C 6, -7. Find the length of the median of median AD of triangle ABC. That is median AD on BC. So already I have learned in the previous classes what do you mean by median of a triangle. From any vertex, the line segment joining the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle represents the median of the triangle. So here you have to find out the length of AD. To find out the length means you have to use the distance formula. To find and use the distance formula, we need 2 points. Already we have 1 point A, 2, 3. Can't you find out the length of this coordinates of D? D is exactly at the midpoint on BC. So we'll find out the coordinates of D by using the midpoint formula. So dxy is equal to, you use the vertices B and C. B is nothing but -4, -5, and C is 6, -7. So here I will apply midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, -4 plus 6 upon 2. Y coordinates are -5, -7 upon 2. So if you simplify further, -4 plus 6 is 2 by 2, and -5 -7 is -12 by 2. Okay. So on simplification, 2 and 2 cancels one time, and 2 divides 12 how many times? 6 times. It is -6. That means we got the coordinates of D, that is 1 - 6. So once you know the 2 points, that is A and D, can't you find the length of AD? That AD is nothing but median on the line segment BC or median of triangle ABC. So to find out the length of AD, I will use the formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What are the coordinates of A and D? We'll write once again. A is 2, 3 and D is nothing but 1 and minus 6. Shall I label this values 2, 3? This is as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Substitute the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the formula. So that gives you root of x2 minus x1. What is x2 there? 1 minus x1 is equal to 2. 1 minus 2 whole square plus what is your y2? Minus 6 minus y1 is equal to 3. Okay. So that gives you square root of what is 1 minus 2? Minus 1 whole square minus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 9 whole square. Again on further simplification, minus 1 whole square gives you 1. Minus 9 whole square is equal to 9 square is 81, which is equal to square root of 82. So AD is equal to square root of 82 units. This will make use of distance formula as an application problem. So here you are given with the triangle ABC, 3 vertices are given to you, and you need to find out the length of AD, that is median of triangle ABC. To find the median, what we did, we found out the coordinates of the point D using the midpoint formula. After that, by using the points A and D, we found out what is required in the problem, that is median of triangle ABC. I hope all of you understood the derivation as well as the application problem connected to midpoint formula. That's all from this video. We'll discuss some more problems in the next video. Have a good day.